Welcome back to Beautyistic. Have you ever wondered what lipstick Adele wears to achieve that stunning, timeless look? Well, today we're diving into the secret behind her signature pout. Adele's lipstick choice is as iconic as her voice. For a woman whose style has consistently radiated elegance and class, her makeup choices mirror that same refined aesthetic. The truth is, the lipstick she often wears is one of the most sought-after beauty items among makeup lovers. It's none other than the cult favorite MAC Retro Matte lipstick in Ruby Woo. This classic red has been a fan favorite for years, and it's easy to see why. The formula is bold, vibrant, and matte, providing an ultra-flattering finish that suits nearly every skin tone. But why does Adele gravitate toward this particular shade? It all comes down to its perfect balance between warm and cool undertones, which complements her porcelain skin and makes her lips pop without being overpowering. The long-lasting formula ensures it stays put even during her powerful performances. So whether she's on stage or attending an event, Ruby Woo is her go-to choice for that flawless, confident lip look. Of course, it's not just about the shade, it's about the confidence that comes with it. Adele's makeup artist has often mentioned that while Ruby Woo gives her lips a stunning pop, it's also about embracing classic beauty and using a red lipstick that feels timeless. This is a lipstick that screams sophistication, but isn't afraid to add a dash of drama. What about you? Do you have a go-to lipstick that makes you feel just as empowered? Let me know in the comments. If you love hearing about iconic beauty looks, make sure to like this video, subscribe to Beautyistic, and hit that bell so you don't miss out on more beauty tips that'll help you feel your most confident self. Thanks for watching, and we think you'll find the next video on screen just as exciting. Trust me, you won't want to miss it.